The rust is severe, especially on the upper arm. These tires are completely beyond salvation. Looks like we'll need to carefully clean the intake first.
All right, front wing first. Got it, watch the alignment. Clear, now the side pods. Ready? Yes, slowly, careful with the wires. Perfect, take the engine cover.
The chassis is bare now. Catalog these last fuel lines carefully.
Hold that steady. Got it. Got it. Perfect. Take a look. It's holding well. Good work. The setting on this is correct, right?
Yes.
15 foot-pounds.
Foot-pounds.
All right, let's secure this section. Checking the blueprint now.
Almost done with the chrome. Decals are set, now for the cockpit. This green is really popping now. Check the gauges, they're perfect. Ready for the track. The restoration is complete. It's a racing legend, Reborn.